Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will create this 2D exercise 12 step by step in AutoCAD. This tutorial is specially made for engineering students and beginners who want to improve their AutoCAD skill. So don't worry if you are new in AutoCAD, I will explain everything in very simple way. You can also download the PDF of this exercise, link in the description box. So let's get started. Step 1. Open AutoCAD, set your drawing units to millimeter. You can activate unit command, press UNITS units, press enter. Insertion scale as a millimeter, press OK. Adjust the grid and workspace as needed for a clean working area. Now step 2. Start with the base circle. This one our base circle. Smaller circle radius will be 11 and second one will be 22. So now C for circle 11, press enter. Again C for circle radius 22, enter. Now select both circle, CO for copy, click on first point, downside 28, press enter. L for line, click on circle coordinate point to coordinate point. Again same as coordinate point to coordinate point. As same as for both inner circles, this one. Now zoom both circles, TR, enter. T for cutting edge, first these two line, press enter. Click on this circle and also this circle. Again same TR, enter. T for cutting edge, first these two lines, press enter. Click on these two circles to erase. So now we are going to create these two circles. Okay, these circles will be radius 20 and 30, and then one more circle will be bigger circle. This one is 50. From this point to downside it will be 70. So okay, now C for circle, click on this center point, put a radius as of 50. Select these circles, M for move, click on downside as a 70 distance. Now create C for circle from here as a center point 20. Again C for circle, click on center point, radius as a 30. Select both circle, M for move, put on right side, move as a 70. L for line, control hold, right click of mouse, select tangent point, first tangent point. Again same process, hold control key, right click, tangent, and click on this point. Now again create two circles, this one radius 15 and radius 22. From the center point downside it will be 87. So now C for circle, click on center point as a 15. Again C for circle, click on center point 25. Select both circles, M for move, downside 87, press enter. Again select M for move, P for previous selection, enter. Right side it will be 50. Now again same process as same this one, L for line, enter. Hold control, use a tangent, first tangent point, again control hold, use as a tangent, click. If you want to create this one, use offset command as a 10, O for offset 10, enter. Click this line inside. Now select these all the parts using MI for mirror. Click on this center point, enter. L for line, add this both line, again same this one to this one. Now step 3, trim all the extra circles. So TR, double enter, trim this one, also this one and this one. Now again same, trim this one. Step 4, tr double enter, trim this one, also this one and this one. Select these extra lines and delete. Add dimensions. So DLI for dimension linear command, click this point to this point. Using DCO for dimension continuous, from this one, also this one. Using DRA for dimension radius command, click these circles, also this one and also this one, also this one. If you want to add here, as same as you can add. Now DLI for dimension linear command, first point to this one, 70, DCO, enter from here. If you want to add thickness for more clear visualization, select all these part, deselect dimensions, go to properties, click on line thickness and put a value as a step 5. Finalize and save. Review the drawing to ensure all dimensions match the provided image. Save your work using Ctrl S and export as a PDF if you need it. Congratulations, you successfully created exercise 12 in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel for more AutoCAD tutorial. Don't forget to download PDF file for the description and practice for your own. And also support the channel by clicking the join button and exclusive box. See you in next tutorial. Tata, bye bye, take care.